What is the scientific name of the barn swallow? Hirundo rustica. Where do barn swallows migrate during the winter? Africa. How do barn swallows catch their prey? Dive bombing. What is the lifespan of a barn swallow? Four to 5 years. What is the distinctive feature of a barn swallow nest? Made of mud and grass. What is the main diet of barn swallows? Insects. How fast can barn swallows fly? Up to 70 miles per hour. What is the meaning of the proverb, "One swallow does not make a summer"? It takes more than one event to make a trend. Where do barn swallows typically build their nest? Under eaves of buildings. What is the significance of the barn swallow's folk tale? Helps with agility and maneuverability.